Hey guys, so today I'm testing out the Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright Rich in Color palette, which is why my eyes look so crazy. So if you're interested in seeing me review this, then just keep watching. Okay, so getting right into the palette, the Patricia Bright Rich in Color palette. Okay, so firstly, I absolutely love these metal palettes from Revolution. They have a huge mirror and they also like go all the way back. So I can just hold this part to show you guys. I'm kind of really liking these like 4 colors right here, and I would love to do something with those. I'm going to take the shade Elegant all over my lid. It's just a neutral cream color. It's probably really not going to do anything but like set my concealer. So then I'm going to take the shade Green Juice and I'm going to put this all over my lid. Don't know where I'm going with it, but I'm going with it. That color looks really good. I kind of want to do like a Cosmo and Wanda You Ain't Slick look. So on my other eye, I'm going to take the shade Fruit Punch. Then on the outer corner of this eye, I'm going to take the shade Trendsetter. Ooh, look, I love that color it makes when it mixes with the other one. Then on this eye, I'm going to take the shade Pillow Talk up here in this corner. Ooh, that color is really pigmented, oh my gosh. And it's so smooth. It just applied like butter onto my lid, I love that. Yes, Revolution, yes, Patricia Bright, this is amazing. Alright, I think I know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm actually gonna do like a halo eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and take Trendsetter and put it on the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm gonna take the shade Pillow Talk again on my inner corner of the other eye. I'm going to quickly cut the crease and we will continue this. Okay, I've cut the crease. I don't do anything spectacular. I'm not even good at cutting my crease, so I didn't feel like it really needed to be on camera. Now taking the shade No Exit, which looks really yellow on camera, but it's more like a green, like a olivey green. I'm gonna put that in the center of this lid. This shade feels very buttery, but it's not turning out near as good as I need it to. Okay, because you guys can see, I don't know if you can really tell, like this shade just moves around like it's butter, but it's not like wanting to go on my eye like butter. Like the concealer, even though I did set it because I can't stand it not being set, it's just coming up over it. And I'm not really a fan of that because it looks beautiful on my finger, but not on my eye. I don't like that. It looks like turds. I really would like to take Wow, but like it's a pressed glitter and I don't have glitter glue on. Oh well, I guess. Alright, now taking the shade at Trendsetter again. I'm just gonna try and like blend this in a little bit. I mean, like, overall the glitter seems to be sticking to my eye fine, but like, I'm genuinely nervous it's just gonna randomly start falling off. We wouldn't have this problem, but that one shade just would not stay on my eye for anything. So I guess on this eye, I'm just gonna go straight in with Wow again, that pressed glitter that I probably shouldn't be using on my eye without a glitter glue, but I'm living dangerously today. Literally dangerously, don't do this at home. I'm taking the risk of this getting in my eye so that my eye looks good. Which, I mean, I'm really pressing it in there, so I don't think it's really gonna be much of a problem. Taking the shade Pillow Talk again, which I love this shade. This honestly so far is the shade that has just like shook me the most. Alright, so far so good. I'm going to do the rest of my face and then I'll be back to finish up my bottom lash line and we'll see my final thoughts then. So for my bottom lashes, I think I want to do like the reverse color, so pink on this side and green on this side. So I am going to take Fruit Punch again, and I'm going to put it underneath this eye. That color is very pigmented and bright. Then for the other eye, I'm going to take the shade Green Juice again. Also, this mirror is great. I mean, it is huge. It's like bigger than my head. Then on a much smaller brush, I'm going to take the shade Pillow Talk again, which I just absolutely love this shade. I honestly feel like I need to take a shade like darker. I think I'm gonna mix Pillow Talk with whatever this like dark neutral brown shade is called. Then on the other eye, taking the shade Trendsetter again. And I think I'm gonna take that dark brown shade and mix that with Trendsetter. Okay, I'm going to go finish up my eyes with liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. So here is the finished eye look. Which one do you guys like better, the Cosmo or the Wanda side? Here's my left eye and my right eye. I feel like it turned out okay. I mean, I definitely went a little crazy, and I don't normally do crazy eye looks like this, so. Overall, I really liked this eyeshadow palette. Honestly, it's so beautiful and stunning, and I'm gonna go ahead and do you guys some swatches. This is the first row. Here's the second row. This is probably one of my favorite rows, honestly. It's so gorgeous. The colors are so pigmented. Here is the third row. This row is also amazing. I'm not the biggest fan that these two shades are very similar. This is the last row in the palette. And I mean, I'm not the biggest fan of this row. Like, it doesn't have a lot of colors that I love. Okay, so my final thoughts on the palette is that I really, really like it so far. I mean, I know I've only used a few shades, but like, I really feel like if you put almost any of these shades just as like a one color on your eye, I feel like you could have like a one and done eye look, because they're all so bright and colorful, and they're very pigmented, which is great. Like, I don't think you really need to do an extravagant eye look, because these colors are extravagant all on their own. It has a lot of different shades, even from the James Charles palette, which everybody says has all the shades you need. But this one has some really unique shades, and I really like it so far. I can't wait to try it out more. So honestly, I think, like, out of 10, I think I would rate this like a solid 8. And that's at first use. I mean, if I use this some more, it might go up, it might go down, but I doubt it'll go down, because these are really pigmented. And this palette is super affordable. This is only $25. I know for Revolution that's like a little bit expensive, but it does have pressed pigments and like glitters in it. It has on the back which ones are technically not eye safe, which this one that I put on my eye is technically not eye safe. So unless you really want to risk it all, don't put it on your eye like I just did. $25, but you also get this like tin palette, and you get this huge mirror. Like, this mirror is incredible. So I mean, I really think it's worth it. This would be great for travel, because it could probably get, you know, tossed around and still be pretty good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful if you guys were thinking about getting this. I know I did a really crazy look, it's just unlike me, but I wanted to show you guys how pigmented and bright the colors are, and I love it. So yeah, okay. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also if you like my Trolls band-aid that I'm using to cover my gross scab on my hand. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It would mean a lot to me if you did, and you could come see me do more things with this palette. I post videos every single Saturday, and I will see you guys next Saturday. Bye!